glorious morning. Makes me sick. Sisters?
Right away, Winnie. Sorry, Winnie. I smell something. I smell scrappers. I wonder where they are from. I do hope they tell us in the comments.
Do you think they like prizes for comments, do you?
Do you think they have joined us to see our 5 brand new designs debuting on the website today?
Maddie? Sarah? Quiet. I must concentrate. Oh, my little book. We must continue on with our spell now that our special guests have arrived. Wake up! Wake up, my darling! Ah, there you are. Maddie?
Yes, Winnie. I'm right here. Right here. Yes. Oh, let me help you. I noticed Sister Sarah isn't helping.
I learned the scrapper's here.
She's done her part. Let her be.
You're right, Winnie.
'Tis time. Ah, there it is. Bring to a full rolling bubble. Add 2 drops oil, boil. Mix blood of owl with herb that's red. Turn 3 times. Pluck a hair from my head. Add a dash of pox and a dead man's toe. Green newt saliva. Add a bit of thine own tongue.
Dead man's toe. Dead.
Sisters, gather round. One more thing and the first design is done.
Oh, Winnie, thou art divine.
Just 1 drop, and the design will appear, and it will all be mine. I mean yours. All right, sisters?
This Hocus Pocus design is sure to put a spell on you. You will love the detailed layers of our 3 Sanderson Sisters, which perfectly complement our array of Halloween-themed papers. For a hint of shimmer, we've added dimensional glitter stickers. Order soon or poof! This one will be gone.
Winnie, that was brilliant.
I'm so beautiful. The scrappers will love me.
That design was beautiful. What a great start. Let's brew another batch.
Winifred, you are a mere joyous sprig of a designer.
I shall be once I scrap the life of all 1-year-old children in the land. Book, darling. Another spell. Let's see. Amnesia, bullions, cholera. We can do better than that, I think. Yes. Let's see what we have. Perfect as usual. Jump back. Twist the bones and bend them back.
Itchy-da capita melica mystica.
Let's showcase photos of that precious baby fat.
Itchy-da capita melica mystica.
Scrap the half birthday. Make it pastel. Just
Like?
that.
Witches, open this door. Give us the next design.
Hurry. Hide the designs.
Designs? We have no designs here.
Don't get your knickers in a twist. We are just 3 kindly old spinster ladies. No fancy designs here.
We're just spending a quiet evening in the studio.
We are sucking the lives out of little children for inspiration.
Aw, Scrappers, my book is speaking to you. On this October 16th, when the moon is round, a new design will be summoned from the ground, and all of the designs of the children shall be mine. Sisters?
Think soothing thoughts. Rabbit bats. Black death. Mummy scorpion pies.
Stop!
I smell children.
Put their photos on the page. Let me play with the paper.
It reeks of children around here.
Our baby series continues with our 6-month baby girl and baby boy designs. Let's commemorate this special half-year milestone with these detailed pages. Animal balloons and heart epoxy confetti will highlight the celebratory occasion. Don't forget, months 1 through 5, already on our website. We will continue the baby series with months 7 through 12, coming soon.
My broom!
My broom.
My room!
Curses! With all of the excitement of this baby design, we've misplaced our broom.
Sisters, look. A chocolate-covered finger of a man named Clark. Oh, it's candy. Why do people eat candy?
All Hallows Eve has become a night of frolic, where they wear costumes and they run amok.
Amok! 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 Oh.
Let's slither about. I've put a spell on you, and now you're mine.
The mouse put a spell on you. You're also theirs.
Now the witch is back, with designs you'll enjoy to pay.
She's put a spell on you, and now you're ours.
Your scrapbooking little lives have all been cursed. 'Cause of all the witches working, I'm the worst.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! She ain't lying.
And if you don't believe, you better get superstitious. Ask my sisters.
Ooh, she's vicious.
The mouse and I put a spell on you. And now you're ours. Sisters?
The villains have been unleashed on this latest spooky creation. Grab a poison apple, pack your potions, then purchase this kit to discover the joys of this wickedly good design. You'll showcase your diabolical photos alongside Jafar, the Shadow Man, and our not-so-scary ghosts. And unleash your inner villainous diva as you custom create these character-themed dimensional pumpkin stickers.
Into the night.
Don't forget me!
The magic that brought these kits only works tonight. When the sun comes up and the kits are sold out, they will return to dust. Fortunately, the potion that we brewed the night before we were hanged will keep new designs coming forever. Unfortunately, the recipe for that potion is in my spell book, and I can no longer find it.
Sorry, Winnie. Sorry, Winnie.
We must find the book. showcase the fourth design, then brew the potion for eternal new designs before sunrise.
The way you explained it so beautifully. The way you started out with the adventure part and gave a little tease that there's another design.
Design what?
Come, we must showcase the next design.
A sunflower field is like a sky of 1,000 suns, and your perfect autumn photos will further brighten these warm-toned fall pages. We've packed dimensional and vellum stickers, along with 9 pattern papers for a unique and professionally designed display. If you love fall most of all, order this design today.
What a fool if you don't purchase kits from today's creations.
You're right, Winnie. So right, Winnie.
I thought this was all to be pumpkin spice and everything nice.
I think I smell pumpkin spice.
Marvelous. We seem to have some skeptics in our midst. Doth thou not believe there is but one more design?
You had me at pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice is my favorite.
My blood hath the type of pumpkin spice, and this last design will not fail. The moon hath awoke with the sleep of the sun. The light has been broken, the spell hath begun. 1 coin here, $1 there. Pumpkin spice hideth everywhere. So dive into your pocket for this pumpkin spice profit. I ask these things come to be. The 5th and final design, reveal yourself to me.
Hello, pumpkin spice. Oh my goodness. The fall party can begin with these pumpkin-loving pages. The adorable Doodle Pop stickers are the perfect embellishments for our detailed and dimensional design. Be sure to add your powder puff inks as the exquisite detail of these intricate die cuts. Whether you're hosting a holiday party or simply a pumpkin spice fan, you'll get into the autumn spirit with these pumpkin pages.
The clock hath struck midnight. Your souls are finally free to purchase the new creations.
Winifred Sanderson? What took you so long? These beautiful creations mustn't be hidden any longer.
I'm sorry, Winnie. I'm sorry. It's my fault.
I put a spell on you.
Sisters, one last look at the beautiful creations. That's it! The party's over. After all, it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Now, get out of our house, get over to our website, and happy scrapping.